Look at that, look at that beautiful silver Toyota Wish. Really neat and clean. Push start. It's got about 48,000 kilometers. CD player, DVD player, sunroof, moonroof, leather seats, side airbags, electric windows, electric side mirrors. It's a 7-seater, big cargo space on the back. Then turn into a 7-seater. So you could collapse the seats. Very nice. Your side panels have leather as well. Again, DVD player, temperature control. The front and the rear has no AC, so yeah, it's only on the front. So yeah, again, Toyota Wish, beautiful, beautiful. In and out leather seats, sunroof, moonroof.